Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving straight into how to assign tasks with deadlines in Todoist. This is your complete 2025 guide. First up, launch your Todoist app. This is where all your tasks are managed. It's important to start here so that we can directly input information into the system. Now that we've done that, let's create a new task. Click on the plus icon, usually located at the bottom right corner. This is essential as it initiates the process of assigning a new task. After you've clicked on the plus icon, you should see a new taskbar pop up. Key in the name of your task. You might be wondering why this matters. Well, naming your task helps you to identify it among other tasks and allows you to set a specific goal. Once you've named your task, it's time to assign the task to a team member. To do this, click on the avatar icon and select the team member from your list. This helps us because it ensures that the task is designated to the correct individual, promoting efficiency and accountability within your team. Next up, setting a deadline. To do this, click on the calendar icon, usually located on the right side of the task name. Select the date and, if necessary, the time for the deadline. Remember, setting a deadline keeps your team on track and ensures tasks are completed in a timely manner. Finally, click on Add Task. This finalizes the process, and your task with its deadline is now assigned. The reason we do this is to officially input the task into the system, making it visible to everyone involved. And there you have it. That's how you assign tasks with deadlines in Todoist. Remember, assigning tasks effectively can make all the difference in team productivity. Thanks for joining me today, and until next time, keep to doing it right.